Bojo Sego, hello everybody, my name is Shuma and welcome to another online video. With the beautiful weather outside and the sun shining, I thought it'd be a wonderful opportunity to learn how to create our very own sundial. But what is a sundial? Well, a sundial is a device that uses the sun to tell time. It's actually one of the oldest scientific tools that we still use to this day, and it's one of the earliest ones to tell time. Most sundials you'll find these days have flat bases like so, and a stick called a gnomon. When the sun is shining, the gnomon casts a shadow, and we use the shadow to tell what time it is. If you live in a northern hemisphere, the gnomon will be tilted on an angle towards the north. And if you live in a southern hemisphere, it'll be tilted on an angle more towards the south. The only thing you need for this activity is a paper plate for your sundial surface, a pen to poke a hole through your paper plate, and also to draw a line, some tape to hold your straw down, a straw to act as the gnomon, that casts the shadow so you can tell the time, and a ruler in case you want to make sure your lines are extra straight. Alrighty, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to want to do is take your pen, make sure you put a little circle in the middle of the plate so you can tell it's the center. And then you're going to take your pen, and you poke down, and poke a hole right through your paper plate, create a center. You might want to push in a little harder, just like that, to make sure the hole is a little bit bigger so the straw can fit through. The next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take the pen and we're going to want to write the number 12 right at the top of the paper plate. And that will be your 12 o'clock or noon or midnight, depending on the time of the day. Next, we're going to take the ruler and we're going to line it up with the 12. And we're going to draw a line. Yeah, you get the idea. Now, I'm going to take the bendy straw and I'm going to slide it through the hole. Just like that. Once the straw is put in, you're going to turn it around and you're going to tape the bottom, just like so. Just so it doesn't move around. And then you can bend it a little bit so it's facing the 12. It's more bent towards the 12 in an angle. And then you're going to take it outside. When you take your sundial outside, you're going to want to make sure to place it in a nice sunny spot that won't get shady for a few hours. And if it's windy outside, you're going to want to make sure to pin it or weigh it down so the sundial does not shift and you get a more accurate time. Taking your sundial, you'll turn it so the gnomon casts a shadow on the 12 o'clock. Every hour for the next few hours, you'll want to go back outside and have a look at where the shadow is and draw another line with the time. So 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I ended up using a permanent marker to make the lines a little more thicker and more visible in the sun. Also, don't forget to write your numbers down so you can keep track of time. Okay, so if you lose sunlight, like I just did in my backyard, then tomorrow at 12 o'clock, you can set up your sundial in a new sunny area, and you can wait till the gnomon is casting the shadow over the 12 o'clock, and then you can start your recording all over again. You can always start your recording when the sun first rises in the morning, and then you can continue on recording every hour until the sun sets. You just need to make sure that you have a nice sunny spot that you can record your sundial all day. There are so many ways to create your own DIY sundial. All you need is a tall, straight object to act as a gnomon so it can cast a shadow. You can use a stick, or you can even use your own body. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching my tutorial on how to create your very own DIY sundial. Next time you're outside enjoying the beautiful weather, see if you can tell the time by using the sun. Alright, until next time, Bomb up everyone.